Hey guys, it's me, Blaine, and Sophia, my little helper today, my granddaughter. Anyways, today we are going to test out and try out and see how it fits and everything. We got a air mattress from EV Base. So just take a look at it. Okay, so Sophia and I are going to take a look at this pretty cool air mattress, which to me is not your typical air mattress. Back in my days, when we got an air mattress, it was just completely air. It was just like a blown up flat mattress that if it got a hole in it or a leak in it in the middle of the night, guess what happened?
It would not be good.
It would not be good, no. You would wake up on the floor and it would be hard. Well, this air mattress actually has a couple inches of foam inside it, and then you put air in it. So that way, if it does get a leak and you wake up in the morning and it's all the way flat, guess what? You still got a couple inches of foam in there that's going to give you some padding and some cushion. That'd be pretty.
To not be hard for your back and it will hurt your back if you fall like that.
Yeah, exactly. So anyways, we're going to take a look at this air mattress. One thing I've already taken out of the box, it does come with an air pump right here that we can plug right into the 12-volt cigarette lighter in the back here. And it comes with a couple of attachments. So one, you could use it just for the air mattress, or two, you could use this for other things that you need to blow up anyways. So anyways, we have this and we're going to test it out. But right now, before we take it out of the bag, I want to see if this thing will fit in our front. You want to see if it will? You think it will?
No.
You see the bag right here? Let's scoot over a little bit. Let's take a look at this bag right here. So this is the air mattress right here. It's not that heavy. It's kind of light actually. Probably what?
Let me pick it up.
See if you can pick it up.
Oh.
Yeah, you can pick it up. So we're going to see if it fits in the front just for transportation purposes anyways. Let's check it out. All right, Sophia, see if you can put it up in there. Come on. You can do it. Get it all the way up in there. Oh, you almost got it. Pick it up from the bottom. There you go. Woo! Look at that. And there's still plenty of room in there to still be able to store whatever else. Does that fit, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, now Sophia's already getting excited to do it, but leave it alone. Don't take it out yet. We need to set up the back of the car first and put all the seats down and everything. So you want to help me do that?
Like this?
Yeah, we got to lay them down.
This?
Yep, go ahead and press them. Do the other one. All right. All right, now we got seats down. Go ahead and pick up the air mattress and put it in, Sophia. Woo. You gonna need some help? No, you got it? Okay, all right. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta take the straps off. Okay. Put the straps in the bag so you don't lose them. Yep. Yep, now get the other one. Okay, put the strap in the bag. Okay, so now roll out the air mattress. Yeah. Yep. Why don't you get up in there? You want some help? Okay, hold on. Fold it over. There you go. All right. Now get out, sweetie. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we need to put air in both of the ports right here. We're going to use the charger there, or the air pump, and we're going to plug these things in and air it up. You ready to do that? Okay. All right, Sophia, it's all finished. What do you think? Is it pretty soft? It's kind of nice, isn't it? Fits in there really good. Still get to your side compartments.
Yeah, that's a refrigerator compartment.
You can see down there. It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a compartment because of
Yeah. What's that?
it does not make a hole.
Because you're so light? Yeah. All we had to do is move the seats up a little bit, huh? And it fits. Pretty cool. Hold it nice and still. So what do you think? How's my camera person? This thing is actually, it is kind of bouncy like you said. Yeah. So yes, I am 6'2", but if I had a nice pillow right here, with the door closed, I bet you I'd fit in here pretty good. What do you think, Sophia? Yeah, definitely sleep in here, huh? All right, let's take a look at this thing with it closed. Fits in there pretty good, doesn't it, Sophia? All right. You could sleep in there? I bet you could. Yep. All right, so to let the air out of this thing, all you gotta do is take that little thing off right there, and I went ahead and undid on both of them. We want to leave it out for a little bit, and you can see a lot of the air has already gone out of it, and I'm just going to start folding it up and rolling it up until all the air comes out, and then we'll be able to put it back, put the straps back on it, and then put it in the bag for storage. Okay, now that I got it deflated, and honestly I had to lay on top of it to smash it down, then I used the 2 straps to tie down, and it still fit inside the bag, and it still sits inside the front. So it will fit in there even though it is still a little bit puffed up right now. If I wanted to take more time and lay on it and stuff and get all the air out of it, I'm sure I can get it back a lot smaller than it is now, but you'll probably never get back to the same size it was when you first bought it. But right now, the front, it will fit inside the front, even with the air all the way out. Well, there you have it. What'd it take, about 2 minutes,
Yeah.
2-3 minutes to air this thing up, and a 6-year-old even installed it? I mean, come on, it's pretty easy. Once again, this is from EV Base. If this is something you're interested in, the link is going to be down below in the description. They could click the link and go and straight and purchase it. And make sure you use my discount code too to save some money, right? Because everybody likes to save money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, make sure you use that discount code. If you haven't done so already, like my video and subscribe to it, all right? And also, there'll be more things coming out. So, you ready to end this?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody out there, be safe, have fun, and most of all, what? Keep driving. All right, bye. Peace.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.